Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
The dollar rose sharply against other major currencies after US President Donald Trump announced new tariffs set to go into effect on August the 1st for a spate of countries including Japan and South Korea. President Donald Trump said the US would impose a 25% tariff on imports from Japan and South Korea beginning August the 1st, as he unveiled the first two of an expected 12 letters to trading partners outlining the new levies they face. Wall Street's major indexes closed lower after US President Donald Trump announced hefty tariffs against Japan, South Korea, and other trading partners, while Tesla shares sank after CEO Elon Musk said he was forming a new US political party.
The dollar-yen pair skyrocketed in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. Gold prices edged higher in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory. Crude oil prices skyrocketed in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
The next few days will feature a busy economic calendar showcasing important reports that range in significance. Market participants should stay alert for possible fluctuations as these updates are made public. Anticipating market reactions to these updates will be vital for traders. Having an adaptable approach can help manage risk and take advantage of sudden market movements.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.
Your trusted choice in online trading.